Chrysler has been selling one car for nearly a decade, just the Pacifica. It outsold every minivan in America last year. The 2027 facelift redesigns the face and barely touches the cabin. Whether that is a mistake depends on what you think was wrong with this car. The front end is new. Vertical LED headlamps and illuminated grille Chrysler calls piano keys, and the new wing badge at the center. On Limited and Pinnacle, the car wakes with a sequenced light animation. Behind the A-pillar, the silhouette carries over. Olive green joins the palette. What Chrysler left alone inside is the more interesting decision. Step into the Pinnacle and Blue Agave hits first, a saturated Nappa leather exclusive to this trim, somewhere between teal and navy. Copper alloy bezels replace chrome. Dark platinum paint finishes the dash. The architecture underneath, the screen, the rotary selector, all carried over. Chrysler knew the layout worked. They dressed it instead of redesigning it. The front cabin earns that confidence. The driving position reads traffic ahead without feeling disconnected. Physical climate buttons stay beneath the screen, a choice that separates this cabin from half the segment. The theater and family tech groups are now separate packages. A family that wants FamCam no longer pays for Fire TV they never use. 7 seats standard, 8 on select. In the Pinnacle, captain's chairs flank the Ultra console with a pass-through underneath. Third row legroom at 36.5 inches, around 93 centimeters, is competitive. Headroom at 38.7, around 98 centimeters, is generous, comfortable for adults on a shorter drive. The cushion depth is the trade for what happens when you fold them. Stow and go. Both rows into the floor. No removal. Latch, drop, flat. 32.3 cubic feet behind the third row, around 915 liters. Both rows down, 140.5 cubic feet, around 3,978 liters. In-floor bins hold bags with seats up. The liftgate now memorizes a low clearance height. 287 horsepower from the carried-over 3.6-liter V6. The plug-in hybrid is gone. $58,255 for the Pinnacle all-wheel drive. $41,495 for the LX. The Sienna is cheaper. The Carnival is newer. The Pacifica outsold both with a decade-old design. Whether a new face and seat engineering nobody has copied in 20 years keeps that going is your call. I would not bet against Stow and Go. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.